Hello. Today I'm going to show you the Remos silver tipped toothpick, item number 7866B. And this is a special toothpick because this toothpick is made out of silver. Wow, it is ideal for between the teeth. The silver tip of the toothpick is very thin and so ideal for removing food remnants from between the teeth. It has a flexible tip. It is also flexible enough to reach food residues in difficult spots. It fits in any pocket. The toothpick is very handy, easily fitting in any jacket or trouser pocket, and so it is ideal travel companion. And the hygienic thing is, the toothpick can easily be cleaned with disinfectant spray or alcohol. You have a protective tip here. The toothpick tip can be reversed to store it in the handle. This keeps the tip protected at all time. But take note, if the silver tip is bent too much, it may break. They recommend bending the toothpick up to maximum angle of 20 degrees. The length is 6 centimeters, that are 2.3 inches. You have a toothpick with 0.15 millimeter flexible silver tip made out of 925 silver. Wow, really, this is really silver. But what is a toothpick? A toothpick is a small thin stick. It is made of wood, plastic, bamboo, metal, bone, or other substance like this. Because this is a special thing, it is made out of silver, with at least one and sometimes two sharp ends to insert between teeth to remove detritus, usually after a meal. Toothpicks are also used for festive occasions to hold or spear small appetizers. But I think these toothpicks are not for this build. This is really special. It is made out of really awesome silver. It is so bendable and it's so flexible to get between your teeth easily. But don't push it too hard into your bone flesh. This is not the right thing. Only go between your teeth. Then it's no problem. In the history of the toothpicks is known in all cultures, the toothpick is not just the oldest instrument for dental cleaning, but predates the arrival of early modern humans. For the skulls of Neanderthals, as well as Homo sapiens, show clear signs of teeth picked with a tool. Toothpicks made of bronze have been found as burial objects in prehistoric graves in northern Italy and in the East Alps. In 1986, researchers in Florida discovered the 7,500-year-old remains of ancient Native Americans and discovered small grooves between many of the molar teeth. One of the researchers, Justin Martin of Concordia University, Wisconsin, said, "The enamel on teeth is quite touch, so they must have used the probe quite rigorously to make the grooves." And if this is the older toothpick thing, this toothpick is the modern way, the really modern way, and it's ideal for your teeth cleaning process. I like it really much. It feels awesome between your teeth, and it's easy to handle, and it removes everything. These are the Remos silver tipped toothpick. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.